Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Home Depot card app and clear offline data. Beginner guide step by step clearly. To uninstall the Home Depot card app, start by locating the app on your device. If you are using an Android device, press and hold the app icon until a menu appears. Select Uninstall from the options that pop up. Confirm the uninstallation by tapping OK. For iOS devices, tap and hold the app icon until it starts to wiggle. Look for the small X that appears in the corner of the app icon. Tap the X to remove the app from your device. Confirm the deletion by selecting Delete. Now that the app is uninstalled, let's clear any offline data that may remain. For Android users, go to your device's settings. Scroll down and select Apps or Applications. Find and tap on Select Storage or Storage and Cache. Tap on Clear Cache and Clear Data. This will remove any offline data associated with the app. For iOS users, the offline data should be cleared automatically when the app is uninstalled. However, you can also check your device's storage settings for any residual data. Go to Settings and tap on General. Select iPhone Storage to view app data. Look for any remaining space used by the Home Depot card app. If you find any, tap on it and then select Delete App to free up the space. That completes the uninstallation and data clearing process. You have now successfully removed the Home Depot card app, and if the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then if your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.